How's it going, guys? Wokalak here, back for another video on Topps 206. This time is second wave or series 2. I'm also going to open the mail from Topps. This is a redemption card that I pulled from Tier 1 box break. For those of you who haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave a link up top. Click on that gray link, gray banner that will take you to that video. So I can already imagine you guys gonna leave comments about this. Wokalak, why are you opening Topps 206 again? Well, I ordered this a while ago. I think I ordered Series 1, and then when Series 2 comes out, I ordered right away too. So there's like 1 week between. So I had no idea about this product. I was thinking about doing it, put this as a giveaway, my 300 subscriber giveaway, but I want to be fair to you guys. I don't think anyone wants this product, so that kind of leaves me no choice but opening them. So that's here we are. I'm gonna open all 5 of them. I ordered 5. Again, they're like $15 a box, and 10 cards in each box. So we'll see how my luck is this time with the Series 2. Anyways, I'm going to open this mail first. This is, like I said, from Tier 1 box break. So I'm not gonna say who the player is going to be, but we'll see in a second if I can open this. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's see who this is. I kind of already know, but I'm not gonna tell you guys until you guys see it. So it is Fernando Tatis Jr. It's 15 out of 25 signature. This card is called Topps Topps Certified Next Level Autograph card. I think it's the Browns level. 15 out of 25. Tatis Jr. He's doing pretty good. I think tonight, this is Tuesday night, they played Giants, and he hit a 2-run home run. So he's looking good this season. So very nice card. This is the biggest card that I pull in those 2 boxes of Tier 1. So that's good. Put this in the background here. Alright, so let's go right into the first box of Topps 206. Alright. I noticed the box is exactly the same as Series 1 or first wave. I hope that they didn't, when they packaged these, they don't accidentally grab a Series 1 box. See, there's no difference unless there's a little barcode in there, serial number in there to tell the difference. But as far as I know, you guys can point it out for me if if there's any difference on the outside. But we got Cal Ripken Jr., Wagner. These are all regular back. Hosmer, Monksy, Chipper Jones, Polanco Twins, still regular back. Yeah, I'm gonna put this a little higher there so you guys can see. Marte, Museo. This one's Pitman. Okay, Belt, Hitmon, and you got Ryu, Sui, Capro. Nice, very nice. All right, not too bad. Got Ryu, Sweet Capro back. All right. Let's see. Rodriguez, Polanco again, Arenado, Moncada, Belt, Paddock, Archer, Sandy Koufax, Pittman, got Diaz, rookie, Pittman, Musio, not sure how to pronounce that, Sweet Capro, nice. Sorry if I mispronounce this guy's name. I really have no idea how to pronounce that. It looks like he is maybe a Hall of Fame. So apologize if I did not pronounce his name right. All right, Tommy Pham, Rodriguez again, Thames, Pujols, Soroka, Soler, Stanton, it's doing pretty good, Turner, Trea Turner, Diaz, didn't we just get this car? Yeah, in the last pack. Pittman again, same car. Gallon, Pittman, rookie. All right, moving right along. Oh, kind of saw the last car. Abreu, Wright, Joey Votto, Scherzer, K-Line, Wagner, Martinez, Cody Bellinger, Pittman. Is this one Pittman too? No. Smith, Pittman, and we got Solak, rookie. Sovereign. I don't remember what Sovereign, what the odds is for Sovereign. I'm gonna look it up and then I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. But that's nice. A rookie and a special back. That's good. All right, last pack. Or box. All right, let's put this a little higher. Okay, Blackmon, Henderson, Ricky Henderson, Mings, Ted Williams, Guerrero, rookie, Dodgers. Aquino, right, all right, rookie. Just regular back. Cody Bellinger, right. Abreu, and Didi Gregorius, Pittman. And is this one Pittman too? Pittman, yep. Yep, okay. So that is 5 boxes worth of Topps 206. So I guess I'm kind of happy, I guess. Sovereign back with this rookie Solak from Rangers. And then we got 2 Sweet Capital, these 2 players. And then we got a Aquino base in here, right here. That's I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah, that's it. Aren't you guys glad that I didn't include this as part of the giveaway? I think that I think you know, if I want to give away something, I want to give away something a little bit better than this. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos. Thank you so much. Until next time, have a good one, guys.